Hi, welcome to Hey Kitchen. Today we are going to see eggplant sauce recipe. And to do this, we need 2 eggplant chopped, half onion diced, small piece tamarind, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon dal, 1 red chili, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, and 1 tablespoon coriander powder or curry powder. This is optional. If you don't need, you don't have to put it. And salt and red chili powder to taste. Now let's go through the recipe. Once the pan is hot, put 2 tablespoons or 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. And once it's hot, add cumin seeds, dal and red chili and saute them till it is golden brown. Now add the onions and add a pinch of salt and keep sauteing it till the onion is nicely cooked. Once the onion is roasted well, add the eggplant. Add also turmeric powder. It's optional. If you have it, add it. And then add salt and red chili powder. Mix them well and close it with a lid for it to cook well. Once the eggplant is cooked, you mash it well so that it becomes like a sauce, and then add tamarind pulp. To do the tamarind pulp, you got to heat the tamarind with hot water in the microwave for a few seconds, and then you can remove the skin and use the pulp to add to the eggplant sauce. Once you have put the tamarind pulp, you have to let it boil for some time until the eggplant and everything comes together like a curry. The next step is to add the curry powder or the coriander powder or both. These are again optional. If you don't have it, it is not necessary to include them. In the end, add curry leaves or coriander leaves as per your liking. And now the eggplant sauce is ready, and it can be had with a hot bowl of rice or a nicely toasted any type of bread. Thank you. Hi, thanks for watching Hey Kitchen. Yet another recipe which has very good nutritional value. Eggplant is a very good source of dietary fiber. It has magnesium and it also has vitamin B6. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like and share if you like this video. Also subscribe to my channel by clicking the button. Looking forward to sharing more with you. Thank you.